Yun. That's rainbow. There. That's a rainbow rain. Rainbow. In a cloud there is a rainbow. Ang ganda no. Ay nakakita niyan. Rainbow sa cloud. Ay no, katabi pa ng jet plane. Kung nakikita niyo guys. Ang galing no. Tapos walang karugtong yung rainbow. Doon lang sa part na yun siya nagre-rainbow. Ano yung sabihin niya? Kakaiba no. Ay nakakita niyan. Ayun pa sa kabila. Magkabilaan. Ang galing naman na. Yeah, it's a miracle, oh. Rainbow in a cloud. Paano nangyari yun? Reflection ng sun. Pero sa Pinas meron ding cloud na walang reflection ng rainbow. Paano nangyari? Ang kakaiba no, guys. Ayun o, magkabilaan yan, guys. Oh. Ganda. It's beautiful. Beautiful clouds. You are where you are. I knew when I saw you. You have rainbow in your. The sun is shining through. After a long while. Tapos clear na clear yun doon, guys. It's shining through. It was destiny's game. When I finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever. Ayun guys, mistletoe. Mistletoe tree. Sabi, pag nandiyan daw sa ilalim niyan, ay kailangan mag-kiss. Eh, wala namang ka-kiss. Yan. Saan na pupunta dyan? Beautiful clouds. You are where you are. You have the rainbow cloud with the sun in the middle. There's a jet plane within the clouds. After a long flight, it flight again. Nagtitrip ang jet plane. Pilot, ang bilis magpatakbo.